Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer JPG file into PDF. So first of all, open your internet browser or your Google Chrome. Now here on the search bar, you want to search for PDF Filler Convert JPG to PDF. Click on enter on your keyboard. And basically, you will find the first link here, pdffiller.com. So click on this convert JPG to PDF. So click on this link, and here as you can see, convert JPG to PDF and edit PDF for Microsoft for free. So all you need to do here, just drag and drop documents here to upload, or click on select from folder, find the JPG file, and now starting to upload the JPG file. Now once you've done here, you will now go to the next page. You can see now it is now loading, and here once you've done, now your JPG file is turned into PDF. Now the next way here is by using Canva. Now here on your Canva, basically you just need to sign in your account, and for example, we want to go here on YouTube thumbnail. So we're gonna create a new design from here. So basically, all you need to do is you just need to upload your JPG file into this Canva. So you can do drag and drop. So you want to go here on File Explorer, find the JPG file, and basically you just need to drag and drop your JPG file into your Canva. So right from here, now once you've done, basically you just need to put right over here, and you can always customize this according to your preference. Now here, all you need to do is click on the share button right there at the top right of your screen. So once you click on that one, you want to click on download button. Now here, just go to file type and click on drop down menu and just choose the PDF standard or PDF print. So I'll choose PDF standard, and it will now start to download this file. So once it's done, want to go and click on that file. So we'll see if it's going to transfer into PDF. So there you go. Your JPG file is transferred into PDF file. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.